Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the of your keyboard on this device. Start by accessing device settings and scrolling down. Now choose system settings, click on keyboard and input method, tap on Gboard and finally theme. Over here you need to click on show mode to see all available ones, and when you're ready select the best one for you. I will go with that one. Now tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to switch them off or on and tap on apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of this keyboard has changed. But you can always go back into the same settings, but this time click on this plus icon under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap on them. Finally, manage keyboarders by tapping on the switcher and select apply to save your keyboard. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized within the match. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!